Jai Ma, welcome to Swamiji's kitchen. I hope all of you are doing well. Please do well. आज जैसे मैं बहुत सारी सैंडविचेस बना रही हूँ, तो आज टुडे इज ऑल्सो अ सैंडविच आई एम मेकिंग डिफरेंट वेराइटीज बना रही हूँ. सो टुडे सैंडविच इज अ मिक्स्ड वेजी सैंडविच. सो वी विल प्रोसीड. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, इंग्रेडिएंट्स. टमाटर है, कॉर्न है, बॉइल्ड कॉर्न, 3 types of capsicum, green, red, yellow, carrots, jalapeno, olives, lots of things to go. Let's begin. Now first I will add everything in a mixing bowl. ये है टमाटर, ऐड करिए. deseed, हाँ, उसके सीड्स निकाल दीजिए और फिर बारीक बारीक ऐसे छोटा छोटा चॉप करिए. Then corn, boiled corn. Everything is like 1/3 cup kind of thing, you know, depends कितने sandwiches आप बनाना चाहते हैं. This is green capsicum, red tomato and capsicum both है, yellow, carrot, then I have chopped olives and jalapeno. ये सब टिन्ड थे मेरे पास, you know, फ्रेश नहीं है. So jalapeno and olives, उसको छोटा छोटा काट दिया है. You get it ready made. It's store bought. I've just chopped it and add. Now we will proceed. इसमें डालिए chili flakes as much as you want, oregano, salt to taste, pepper and mayonnaise. mayonnaise से पूरा बाइंडिंग करेंगे. Please see the description. First stir it a little bit. All measurements are given over there, हाँ, तो वो please check करिएगा. This is the filling we are doing for the sandwich. ये हुआ. Then you take your mayonnaise. Okay, this is eggless mayonnaise which you get. And add. We mix and see whether we need more or not. This is done. This filling is ready. इसको मैं साइड पे करती हूँ. And I have taken 3 slices of bread, जिसके edges आप काट दीजिए, ठीक है. उसके बाद ये चीज हमको चाहिए बाद में. So 1 slice, 2 slice and 3 slice. Keep it like this. और इसके ऊपर मेयो डालिए. All 3 slices will have mayo. Spread it out. If we need more, we'll take. थोड़ा चाहिए. Even spreading. ये हुआ. Then you have to take the filling और इस पे रखिए जितना चाहिए, as much as you need. Fill it up nicely. ये हुआ. उसके बाद you take the second bread, उसको भी डालिए. Fill it up. Neat, it has to be neat. Now what you do is इसको उठा के इस पे रखिए. Now you take your cheese. ये नहीं होना चाहिए, टूटना नहीं चाहिए. जो टूट गया बहुत सॉफ्ट है. Actually, I wanted to make 4 triangles, but ये टूट गया. Doesn't matter. Put slices like this. If it breaks, if it doesn't break, it's good. Cover it. Then last layer you cover like this. Press it down. Then you take your knife, cut it in triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll serve and show you. Now you serve. Whichever way you like to serve. And we can put a little dressing on the side. That would also look nice. है ना? स्टफिंग जो है ना वो रखते हैं. You can have the stuffing separately also with the sandwich. It's a yummy stuffing. Nice. Veggie sandwich. So many different sandwiches मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. अब जरूर ट्राई करिए. कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको अच्छा लगना ही चाहिए. They're all very tasty. So आप ज़रूर try करिए. So many veggies in this and it's very delicious. And share, comment, subscribe please if you can. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Jai Maa.